Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge, right? So today we're going to be making a drink called the Monte Cassino, right? This is a variation of the last word, which if you watch me, you know I've done it already. A lot of these great cocktails have multiple variations and riffs, right? And this is no different. So with this one is going to be made with some American rye, a little Benedictine, some Yellow Chartreuse, and a little bit of lemon juice. And this is an equal parts cocktail, right? So let's get started. First things first, we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of rye. Next, we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of our Benedictine. Next, we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of Chartreuse, Yellow Chartreuse. Last, we're going to go 3/4 an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Maybe. Going to add some ice. Give it a swirl. Like reading the comments, people are like saying this is like their new favorite, right? People who like the last word say like they're like this is their new favorite, and I'm curious because will it become my new favorite? I don't know. We're gonna find out. Here we go. The Monte Cassino. I'm not going to say it's my new favorite, but it's up there, right? Again, I like sour. I've said this before many times, if you watch my channel. And everything plays well with each other. Because you taste the Benedictine. I don't taste the rye as much. Maybe that's why you use rye, because it kind of settles it out a little bit. But I don't know. I do like. I see why in the comments of where I found the recipe at. I see why they say this is their new favorite, because this is a really, really good cocktail. Anyway, you should try it if you can find the ingredients. But don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time. Cheers.